Hello friends, welcome to my channel. We are dealing with the topic fractions, grade 7 chapter 2 fractions. My today's topic is division of fraction. In division of fraction, we use the concept of reciprocal, and another name of reciprocal is multiplicative inverse. So addition and subtraction, we take LCM, multiplication we convert into simplest form, and division we take reciprocal. These 4 points are very important, and most of the time students are doing mistake in these 4 points. So if you are new on my channel, please like and subscribe my channel, and also hit the bell icon so that you will get notification for my next video. Basic concepts of fractions I have covered in grade 6 chapter number 7 fraction topic. So please grade 7 students go through with the grade 6 videos with the 7 parts, part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4, 5, 6 and 7. So I am going to start with my today's topic, that is reciprocal, or another name for reciprocal is multiplicative inverse. The reciprocal of a number is 1 divided by the number. So take one example. Reciprocal of 5 is 1 divided by 5. How can we write down in the form of fraction 1 upon 5? Take another example. Reciprocal of 12 is 1 divided by 12, and we will write down in the form of fraction as a 1 upon 12. In short, to find the reciprocal of any fraction, just interchange the numerator and denominator. You need to interchange the number. For example, reciprocal of 5 upon 6 will be 6 upon 5. 6 is in denominator. So now 6 will come in numerator. 5 is in numerator. So 5 will come in denominator. Take another example. Reciprocal of 7 upon 9 is 9 upon 7. Now just find the product of fraction and reciprocal of that fraction. So take the example 5 upon 6 and 6 upon 5. So this is multiplication of fraction. So you can cut the numbers. 5 ones are 5, 6 ones are 6. And your answer is 1. So whenever we find the product of a fraction and reciprocal of that fraction, your answer is always 1. This is your work. You just try with the product of these two numbers and find out whether you are getting 1 or not. Evaluate and then write the reciprocal of the answer. So here the question is from addition. Mixed fraction it is given, so convert into improper fraction. 2 ones are 2 plus 1, 3 by 2, 8 twos are 16, 16 plus 5 is 21 by 8. Denominators are different. Take the LCM of 2 and 8. 8 is the greater number. Recite table of 8. 8 ones are 8. 8 comes in table of 2, so the LCM is 8. Write down the first fraction 3 by 2. Now recite table of 2. 2 4s are 8. So we will multiply by 4 upon 4. Then plus sign is there. Write down the next fraction 21 by 8. 8 ones are 8. So multiply by 1 by 1. Now multiply numerator with numerator. So 12 upon 21 and 21 upon 8. Add the numerators 33 by 8, and now we will take reciprocal of 33 by 8, that is 8 by 33. Now take one example from subtraction. Again convert into improper fraction. 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 3 will be 15 by 4. 6 1s are 6 plus 1 7 by 6. Now take LCM of 6. 4 and 6, greater number is 6. Recite table of 6. 6 2s are 12. 12 comes in table of 4 also. So the LCM will be 12. Write down the first fraction 15 by 4. 4 3s are 12. So multiply by 3 upon 3. Now minus sign is there, write minus. Write the next fraction 7 by 6. 6 2s are 12. So multiply by 2 upon 2. So new multiply numerator with numerator 45 upon 12 and 14 upon 12. Just subtract the numerator 31 upon 12. Now take the reciprocal of 31 upon 12 will be 12 upon 31. This part you can solve by taking common LCM method also. This is your choice. Now take one question from multiplication. Multiplication we cut the numbers or we convert into simplest form. The first thing we will convert into improper fraction. 10 ones are 10 plus 2 12 by 10. Now you can cut the number. So 4 2 twos are 4 2 fives are 10 3 threes are 9 3 fours are 12. Multiply numerator with numerator 8 upon 15 and now take the reciprocal of 8 upon 15 is 15 upon 8. So I have taken one example from addition, one from subtraction, one from multiplication. So you can see the what is the difference in addition, subtraction and multiplication. Addition and subtraction always we take LCM, and in multiplication we convert into simplest form. Now, which of the following are not a pair of reciprocals? So, take these two numbers. Now, multiply these two fractions. Here, you can cut the numbers. So, cut 8 and 16 also. Again, you can cut these two and your final answer is 1. Take another example, 3 upon 8 and 8 upon 3. So, here also you can cut this 3, you can cut this 8 and final answer is 1. Take one more example, 7 upon 9 and 36 upon 21. So just cut the number, 9 4s are 36, 7 3s are 21 and final answer is 4 upon 3. Since here the product is 1, product of a fraction and its reciprocal is 1, therefore they are the reciprocal of each other. But since here product is not 1, they are not the pair of reciprocal. So this is the way we find out given pair is a pair of reciprocals or not. Complete chapter with subtopics are ready to watch. Grade 6, knowing our numbers, 16 subtopics, whole numbers, 8 subtopics, playing with numbers, 11 subtopics, basic geometrical ideas, 4 subtopics, understanding elementary shapes, 5 subtopics. And please note, part 1 link is given in the description and link for the other subtopics are mentioned in part 1. Now the steps of how to solve the division of fractions. So this question is given. The first step, convert into improper fractions. So 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 2 will be 10 by 4 divided by 4 upon 5. You can see here I have kept here this in different color shade. What is the use of this? So the next step, convert this division sign into multiplication and take the reciprocal of the number which is just after division sign. Most of the time students take reciprocal of this number. To avoid this mistake, to give the proper concept, I have taken this in pink color. So now convert this division into multiplication sign and reciprocal of 4 upon 5 will be 5 upon 4. Now you can see that the question we have converted into multiplication of fraction, and now you can use all the steps for multiplication of fraction. And what was the first step? Convert into simplest form by taking one number from numerator and one from denominator. So you can cut the number, this 5 and 5, or 4 2 2s are 4 2 5s are 10, and then multiply numerator with numerator. So answer will be 5 upon 2. If your numerator is greater, once you check once again whether you have converted into simplest form or not. If it is in simplest form and numerator is greater, then convert into mixed fraction. So these are the steps, and only here this one step is new in division of fraction. Otherwise everything is same like multiplication of fraction. So take another example, convert into improper fraction. 5 4s are 20 plus 3, 23 upon 5 divided by 7 upon 5. Now we will convert this into multiplication and reciprocal of 7 upon 5 will be 5 upon 7. Now the question is from multiplication of fractions, so we will convert into simplest form. So 5 and 5 you can cut, 7 and 23 are prime numbers, you cannot cut. Numerator is greater, so convert into mixed fraction. Take one more example. So convert into improper fraction. 4 5s are 20 plus 1, 25, 21 by 4 8 ones are 8 plus 1 9 by 8. Now convert this division into multiplication and take reciprocal, that is 8 upon 9. Now the question is from multiplication of fraction. You can cut the number. 4 and 8 is divisible, 9 and 21 is divisible by 3. So 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 3 threes are 9, 3 sevens are 21. Multiply numerator with numerator, denominator with denominator, 14 by 3. Your numerator is greater, so convert into mixed fraction. Take one more example. So again 3 8s are 24 plus 2 26 by 3. 5 9s are 45 plus 7 52 by 9. Now next step, convert this into multiplication and take reciprocal, that is 9 upon 52. Now the question is from multiplication of fraction. Cut the number. This 3 and 9 you can cut. Now 26 and 32 is also divisible by 13, or if you have any confusion, first you can cut by 13 twos are okay by 3, and now you can cut by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, so 3 by 2. Again your numerator is greater, convert into mixed fraction. This 36 and 52 is divisible by 26 also, so this is your choice. How do you want to cut this? Take another example. 8 divided by 2 is 2. 1 by 3, convert into improper fraction, so 7 by 3. Now convert this into multiplication sign, and reciprocal of 7 by 3 is 3 by 7, and meaning of 8 is 8 by 1. So now you cannot cut any number, so 8 threes are 24 by 7. Your numerator is greater, so convert into mixed fraction. 3 is to 3 by 7. Another example again. 3 8s are 24 plus 2 will give you 26 by 3 divided by 13, meaning of 13 is 13 upon 1. Now convert this into multiplication, and reciprocal of 13 upon 1 is 13 upon 1 will be 1 upon 13. Now cut the numbers. So 13 ones are 13, 13 twos are 26. Multiply numerator with numerator, denominator with denominator. Your numerator is smaller, so this is the answer. Grade 6 chapter 5 understanding elementary shapes. I have created video on 5 topics. Subtopics are written over here. Part 1 link is given in the description, and link for the other subtopics are mentioned in part 1. Now the question is from simplify. So simplify, here we will use the BODMAS rule, and before using BODMAS rule just convert into improper fraction. So 3 by 2 divided by 15 upon 16. BODMAS rule, first we solve the division part. So convert this division into multiplication, and reciprocal of 15 upon 16 will be 16 upon 15. Now again the question is from multiplication of fractions, so you can cut one from numerator, one number from denominator. This is your choice. Any combination you can cut the number. So here I have taken 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15. Then 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16. This 2 and 2 is divisible. Similarly 3 and 3 is divisible, and your answer is 1. Again mixed fraction is there, so first step, convert into improper fraction. Again here we will solve first the division part according to BODMAS rule. So this division we will convert into multiplication, and reciprocal of 9 upon 7 will be 7 upon 9. Now the question is from multiplication of fraction, convert into simplest form, cut the numbers. 9 and 9 is divisible. Then 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14. And now don't cut these two numbers, because we cannot cut two numbers from denominator. So now multiply all the numerators together, all the denominators together. So this is 3 upon 8, and numerator is smaller, so this is the answer. So thank you for watching today's video. Don't forget to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, and also don't forget to watch my next video.